Hey everybody, Jen here with the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. I got a surprise package from a YouTube friend. This is from Julie at Agent Handbag Reviews. I'll link her channel down below in the description box. I just wanted to do a quick, I guess this is an unboxing, unpackaging. She sent me a little thing in the mail. Oh my gosh, what is this? Kind of a backstory here, but Julie and I have been chatting a lot on Instagram, and she's super cool. And I sent her a little something, and she sent me a little something too. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, oh my gosh, is this a Dooney? Oh my gosh, it's a Dooney Bourke. This is so cool. It's a Dooney Bourke coin purse. Thank you so much, Julie. Oh my gosh, how adorable. We're both big D&B fans. That's something we have in common. I'm really loving the quality of Dooney Bourke lately. This is so cute. Thank you so much, Julie. Oh my gosh, look at this leather. Let me smell it. It smells so good. The smell of leather is just amazing. This is so cute. Thank you so much, Julie. I really, really can't thank you enough, and I really appreciate the friendship I've developed with Julie and a few other folks just in handbag world. We've had a lot of fun talking about stuff. Dooney Bourke lately has been killing it with designs and with the quality of the items is so good. Yeah, look at this leather. It's sort of like a cognac color. This is one of my favorite colors of leather. It's got a nice red interior. And I don't know if this one has 14 karat gold hardware, but a lot of their products do. This is so cute. Oh, it's got a little back pocket. Oh my gosh, Julie, I will definitely use this. It's got a little keychain so you can put your keys. This might be my new, I think this is gonna be my new key pouch. I think I will be switching out my IKEA bag for this, for sure. Thank you so much, Julie at Agent Handbag Reviews. This is so sweet of you. Oh my gosh, I love it. Yeah, look at this. Look at the braided, look at the detail on this stuff. And it's got a little front pocket, main zipper pocket, really nice quality zipper hardware and whatnot. Okay, got a nice red interior. I think this is like cotton twill. And I love that it has a back pocket here. This is so cute. Thank you so much, Julie. I just wanted to share this on camera. I'll probably be posting this. I don't know. We'll have to see. Anyways, I'm Jen with the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. Thank you for watching, and go check out Julie's channel. She has a lot of really good handbag videos and thoughts about the handbag community. And she features a lot of Dooney Bourke and Coach, which are, of course, very good quality brands. And I think that's the one thing, is that a lot of people are kind of over the luxury prices, the exorbitant prices. And I think Coach and D&B are two brands that are still putting out good quality products, but without like the crazy prices. So that's why we really like Dooney Bourke. So yeah, I've been buying Dooney Bourke for about 20 years. And yeah, the quality holds up. The quality definitely holds up. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Thank you so much, Julie.